Alright guys, we're going to start this Rheem Classic Series air conditioner up. I'm going to run it in heat mode because it's pretty cold out here and I want it to run properly. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see it properly and hear it, and hopefully the camera doesn't fall because it's leaning off a ladder. Alright, I'm going to go turn it on. There it goes. That's cold. It's probably at least a little bit. Oh, that's hot. Thanks. Really getting cold. Alright, I'll do a shutdown now. Okay, it's off. I'm gonna wait for the liquid to stop moving and wait for the oil to return back to the compressor so we can do proper oil return. Otherwise, if you just flick the reversing now, it's just gonna stop it all in one place. I don't know how it's really gonna work, but yeah, it'll make a horrible noise and I don't want that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Peace.